You still not hot?
No, I'm cold.
May not be burning. Got him?
Yes, I do.
Man. So we here, day 5. And in the last little clip, that was still day 1. So that tells you that 2, 3, and 4 didn't really make it. So basically, your boy's been going through a couple of little learning curves. And that's been with filming and with some of the tools I've been using for this here hood vent job. And so I'll just jump right into it. So day 2, filmed. Good stuff. Good content on this whole Jeep vent little modification. No audio. Yeah, I didn't check to see if the microphone is working. I hadn't had to do that so far. Some little glitch in the camera. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. So no audio. Trash. Then, day 3, filming again with bro. Good video. Record the whole thing in slow-mo. So, you know, slow-mo. I'm not going to act out slow-mo because that would just, yeah. Day 4, came back. It was cool. But, man, it was just amateur hour. Like your boy had stage fright. I was just tongue-twisted and didn't know what to say and blah, 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 blah. I'm calling things different things that they're not supposed to be called. So I was like, yeah, scrap that. So we're here, day 5. And, yeah, let's see what happens today. So with the new tools I'm using, thought I kind of knew how they worked. Found out, no. But, yeah, I had to learn. So go over a couple things, show you some little tips and tricks since I've been going through it with this Rivet nut tool. Some do's and don'ts. And yeah, you can learn from your boy. I'm pretty good mechanically. It just had a couple little blonde moments. So whatever, don't judge me. If you do, it is what it is. So as you can see, once I pull this riv nut out, dang, looks like a big old bullet hole in my hood. But we basically are going to fix that with putting a bigger riv nut in there. And that should help seal up that deal right there and clean up some of them scratches. It'd be just like new. What I like about doing a lot of the work on this Jeep is nothing ever comes out perfect, but that gives this Jeep character. You know, hey, sets it aside from the others. And it's a beautiful thing. It's a Jeep, you know what I mean? It's not a pavement princess. We get out and about. So from about 30 feet away, this thing looks clean. And when you get up on it, you be like, dang, you use this Jeep. Yeah, we got some nicks and scratches and bumps and bruises. But like I said, that's character. And that's what the whole, experience is about for us. So anyways, all right. So I've used this bad boy before. Basic riv nut tool, bam. Or not riv nut tool. Rivet tool. I'll get to the rivet nut tool in a second. But usually, you got your rivets. Let me show you. They look like the little pieces you put on a pump to inflate like basketballs, footballs, volleyballs, beach balls. These little things right here. You know what I'm saying? So basically, I'm sure you guys already know this. Just bear with me. Bam, bam, bam. And then you squeeze a couple times, and then it crunches this little piece on whatever you're trying to put this in, and it snaps off this little extension piece. So this goes all the way inside of there, and it basically just pulls it and then clips it, and it's flush. Rivet. Boom. So once you hear that pop, you know what I mean? Clip. Bam, bam. It's a beautiful tool. Love it. So when I got the rivet nut tool, I didn't even think about it. Obviously, what I was thinking, I shouldn't have thought that. But learn from your mistakes, right? So anyways, big dog stepping on. Okay, anyways, so rivet nut tool, it's a little different. This uses the little rivet nuts, and of course I don't have one in front of me, but anyways, you can see all the little rivet nuts in there. And this is the one that made all this a catastrophe. OMG. So anyways, when you have the rivet nut tool, when you screw the rivet nut on here and you put it down or wherever you're going to insert it, you're going to feel a little pressure and then it's going to stop. When this stops, you stop. Now, I kept going because I was waiting for that pow. Don't do that. Don't do it, because what you're going to do is ended up pulling this through the rivet nut and you're going to strip all of the threads. No bueno. No está bien. So, learn from me. When you feel that tension, that's when you stop. Now, you'll see in a clip of mine where I give it a few little and that's just to make sure that the rivet nut is seated and clamped and is not going to move, because in one of my videos I put the screw in, and when I tried to take the screw out, well, the rivet nut started to spin, and once that happens, I didn't know what else to do but yank that bad boy out. Hence the bullet hole and the bubbles. And yeah, no bueno. So when you feel that tension, that means it's crimping. Stop. Don't wait till it pops, snaps. You're gonna have all kind of threads on here and it's not gonna be a good day. So all the rivet nuts that are in the hood now are, at least so far. Right, mama? So here's a little preview where we at with the vents. Let me show you. So we got most of the rivet nuts placed in the hood where we want the vents to go. All what's left for this part is underneath the hood. Go ahead and make the cuts where we want the hood to actually vent. So that's coming up. That'll be last part. And then voila. So we got these painted black, but it's not done yet. So stay tuned, because when you see this all done, you're gonna be like, okay. With all the little boo-boos and nicks and scratches and things you can't see and not showing up close, it'll still look dope. So
How do you chop, Dad?
what's that, mama?
How do you chop?
Yeah, hook it up. You gonna draw me a picture? Yeah. Let me see, my little artiste, you know what I'm saying? But what I did is pretty much use some bed liner on there. I don't know if you can see, there's a little blemish right there. I'll show you that, but like I said, this is a Jeep, so I'm not tripping. But a little spider web action. Let me get a spider web out of the way. Anyways, so it has that bed liner kind of feel to it, because on the bumper and rock sliders and the armor in the back, it's all coated in.
I made you a flower.
Oh,
It's a happy face one.
such a little doll. Thank you, mama.
Right there.
Let's see. Boom. Lovely.
That's Mary's face.
Okay, hook it up. Anyways, yeah, so this will kind of match the bumpers and all that kind of stuff. So pretty good. I used some Herculiner, little spray on, a couple layers. Yeah, came out real nice, real nice. So yeah, almost done with those. Yeah, this will look dope. So here we go.
Speak right here.
Well, you can speak, it'll pick it up. That's the microphone down.
Hello. So today we are. What are we doing?
Just continuing our hood vent mod. Can you see me?
Well, I see you.
How they look? They look good? Show the people.
Yep. I'm silly.